But yeah, man, I appreciate you coming. So you've been on the channel since?
Been on the channel since day something. But started with the guy out with his Lambo making all these real estate videos. Sound kind of like me. I found out he worked with HBCU Connect. He worked with HBCU Connect.
He went to Delaware State.
Went to Delaware State, HBCU. Been on there. Saw you get that Lambo Miami. Cat, GT. Yeah. And then the rapper.
Oh, you seen all of them?
Yeah, man. We're waiting for what's next.
You know what? We're surprised.
Motivation.
That's right.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Will Motivation. Get ready to hit this road trip. We got Junior P. We got your boy Will Motivation. We got D Moss. We got Claremont, Culpepper, Reggie. And we're about to take a road trip to the Washington, D.C. area, Alexandria, Virginia to be exact. And we're going to do an event for Intel. About to roll out. So about to roll out from the HBCU Connect headquarters here in Columbus, Ohio. Got about a 6-hour drive. We'll get there tonight, get situated, get ready for tomorrow, get our game face on, and pull off an event where we're going to help Intel. We're going to this truck right here. We're going to help Intel connect with members of HBCUconnect.com for job opportunities. So if you're interested in that, go to HBCUconnect.com. And yeah, so there you go. You got D-Meezy. Maryland. We got the crew with us. This is Junior P's first trip with the crew. Yep. And we're gonna handle this business. All right, we made it. We're in the Hampton Inn in Alexandria. It's not looking like a whole lot in here, but we got connecting rooms so we can wake these dudes up. This dude already, y'all's room is better than ours. We made it, so it's about time to go to work. Woo.
Safe. Maryland, we here.
It's time to go to work. So you guys keep your budget low. You can stay in the Hampton Inn. But actually, man, this hotel was expensive as I don't know.
It's actually pretty
200
for the
It got good reviews.
It's clean.
But it's $270 a night per room.
Whoa.
That's crazy, right?
You know you can find something better than that.
Right, you could go to Miami on that kind of budget.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna charge.
Yeah.
I'm gonna charge this camera up. Good night, YouTube.
I better iron y'all's joints.
Yeah.
if you're passionate about what you're doing, you have the skills, and you're willing to talk and communicate, we need you.
Folks come in, there's an intensive amount of training. So, you know, having a solid background in semiconductors is nice, but what we're really looking for is really on the problem solving skills. Because I think you can say when you come in, the training is pretty intense. So you need to really have a fundamental background, solid fundamental background as well.
So we've got some free zoo tickets. When do they expire? They expire at the end of the year. So if you want some free zoo tickets, see this guy right here. See him. His name is Claremont. See how they do? Okay, so we're gonna go check on the parking.
Welcome. Everybody, we're getting ready to start presentations. Excuse me. Good evening, everyone. So, good evening. Thank you. So, My name is Will Moss. I'm the one that sent out 1 million emails to everyone. And I appreciate you coming, especially considering the weather. Thank you. So I just wanted to welcome everyone this evening, and also wanted to invite you guys to make the most out of this evening. This is a special event. It's our first partnership with Intel, and they are here with some excellent opportunities. So I'm actually going to hand off the microphone to the Intel team so that they can explain to you a little bit more about those opportunities. But I just wanted to say thank you for coming. Thanks for braving the traffic, the weather, and everything else, and bringing your experience and sharing your experiences with Intel as well. So, and thank you to Intel for partnering with HBCU Connect and inviting these folks out as well.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Richard Green with Intel Sports, and thank you HBCU Connect for helping put this together. I want to make a big thank you to our Intel HR recruiting team for all the work that they've done to make sure that this gets done without a hitch. We appreciate you guys taking an afternoon, evening to share your experiences, to come meet and network with some of us at Intel. We're very excited about the opportunities to engage with people of the high class, high caliber, very experienced individuals that you are. So we know that you have a lot of opportunities to go meet and talk with everyone else. We're really excited that you're here to talk with us. I'm here with a number of people from our Intel Black Leadership Team, our Intel recruiting team, folks that have traveled from the other side of the coast, the Midwest, from the East, that are here to engage and really get a chance to know you and network with you. So on behalf of myself and the team, welcome, but I do want to make sure that they get a chance to introduce themselves so you know who's here. Again, my name is Richard Green. I'm with Intel Sports on the business development marketing side of the business, and been with Intel just under 3 years. So looking forward, I had a chance to talk to some of you, looking forward to meeting the rest of you this evening.
One of the wonderful things about Intel, you basically can remake your career. Intel is so big, you could probably get lost in there, but come in eyes wide open.
Intel has done so many great things in the AI world. We are definitely a force to reckon with. We've made some great acquisitions over the years.
The data center group is a data center strategic planner, and I relocated with my entire family from Atlanta, Georgia to Oregon about 3 years ago, and loving it on the West Coast. So again, as everyone said, if you have any questions about relocating, my background is in computer science, so software, data center, strategic planning, please feel free to reach out and let me know.
Let them know who you are.
Hey man, Jay Axel, software engineer, cyber enthusiast, love cars, love real estate. Get a lot of my information from this man right here.
How long you been on the channel?
Oh, since he had the pool. Do you have a name for it?
Y'all know what I call
have a name for it.
I don't think you had a name for that one.
But yeah, man, I appreciate you coming. So you've been on the channel since?
Been on the channel since day something. But it started when the guy out with his Lambo making all these real estate videos. Sound kind of like me. I found out he worked with HBCU Connect. He worked with HBCU Connect.
You went to Delaware State.
Went to Delaware State, HBC. Been on there. Saw you in Miami. Cat, GT. You were here, Audi.
Yeah.
And then the Raptors.
Oh, you seen all of them.
Yeah, man. We're waiting for what's next?
You know what? surprised. No, I appreciate you coming out, man. Real talk, I appreciate you subscribing to the channel. And y'all keep me on point. Yeah, you know what I mean? So you tell me, like, based on my experience, whatever I can share, that's what I'm looking forward to that. Real estate, well, the course. Appreciate it. I don't know if you ever thought about the person who's mentoring people. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'll give you my number. Yeah. You really for something you man. So I keep a running list of people I like that are mentors, and you on that list, man. I appreciate it, man. I'm here for you, bro. Yeah, I appreciate you coming, man. Just want to shout him out. You already know. Everybody, Will Moss, HBCU Connect, aka Will Motivation. We got Reginald Culpepper here. As you can see, part of our job is to make sure to bring people out to events like this so that they can take advantage of the opportunities. And we always, to kind of make sure we have a good turnout, we always invite more people than we think will show up. And as you can see outside, it looks like a flood. So we had a little bit of weather today, but that doesn't stop the show from going on. As you can see, we have a pretty good turnout. Right? And that's how we do it. So we want to just thank you guys for watching us, checking us out. If you're not subscribed to hbcuconnect.com, and you want to learn more about events like this, go to hbcuconnect.com. If you are an employer, definitely do the same. Check us out. Contact us. 614-864-4446. Final words. Excellent turnout. We've got over 100 people here so far. People have been constantly trickling in. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Will Motivation. Sorry I haven't been making a lot of videos. Been super busy. Just got done with an event in the DC area, and it was a successful event. We executed on it for Intel, and just want to thank you guys for staying tuned to my channel. So we're going to take a ride in the Lambo. I got to run to the store and pick up some things. I'm about to go on vacation and just disappear for a few days. I'm not telling anybody where I'm going until I get back, and I'm gonna post the videos when I get back. So just stay tuned for that. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.